How to log in to H&R Block Employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into H&R Block Employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and simply search for H&R Block Employee Login. After you do that, simply scroll down and there you should see different options. So here you will see different options by H&R Block. You can simply open up whichever website is yours. So let's open that up. And after you open it up, you'll be taken to a login page. On the login page, all you have to do is type in your email and then your password. Then tap on sign in and you'll get signed in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.